The scent of fall can be found in the air. Beautiful colours of leaves scattered everywhere. Animals prepare ahead for winter. Summer has bid farewell. Long warm days have come to an end. Crispy, fresh, earthy mornings welcome you instead. Hello everyone, thank you so much for joining me and watching again, and if you're new to my channel then a big warm welcome to you. I would love for you to stay and click that subscribe button. And in this video I have an exciting announcement to make, which is I want to host more giveaways. So every month I'm going to pick one lucky subscriber and send off a package full of goodies like new and beautiful jewellery. So for a chance to win, all you have to do is make sure that you are subscribed and turn on the notification bell. That way when my video comes out, you can click to watch it, comment down below something about the video, and make sure that you hashtag terrarium and crafts. Make sure that it's written like this because the other "and" just doesn't work. That way I can get to find your comment and you will automatically be put into a chance of winning the prize. So you can start from this video, go ahead, hashtag terrarium and crafts, and I'm going to be writing your name, so good luck to you all. I am back today with another fall DIY and another wreath. I just made one in the previous video and you all really enjoyed that, so I'm back with another idea that I hope you enjoy equally as much. And for those of you who are new to my channel and missed this is the last DIY wreath that I made. Really beautiful, and it's inspired by a dream catcher. It's got a beautiful jewel there, really shabby chic sort of look. So if you want to see that DIY, then I will link that for you. And this video is part of a collaboration, so there's going to be other creators, and I'll leave the playlist in the description box, and it's hosted by the lovely Kristin K. I will leave the link to her channel in the description box also, as well as Natalie, and her channel is Designed to the Nines. So without further ado, let's get crafting. Okay, so excuse the mess. I like to sort of not limit myself when I'm creating. So I have an idea in my mind and I'm just going to play with that, just go with the flow and see how it turns out. And I'm sure it's going to be beautiful if it does come out how I imagined. And I'm going to start off by hot gluing some moss on the base of the wreath. And because it's fall, I am choosing to use a lighter coloured moss. So it's not the typical one. This is from the pet shop and it's usually used for reptiles. So I'm just going to carry on gluing the moss down with some hot glue up to about here and on this side as well. I'm back now after giving my wreath a beard, and we're going to start applying the florals, and I'm going to do that with hot glue of course. So as it's fall, we're going to be working with fall colours. Of course you can choose to use any colours for any seasons. So all I'm going to do is carry on doing that all across up to here. So I've carried that on all across. Now I'm going to go in with some really small ones in this beautiful wine red colour, and then some chocolate coloured ones. So this is what it looks at the moment, and I'm just going to tidy all of this up and come back for the final fun part that's going to really make this wreath stand out. Just when you thought we were done, I come back with more. So this part is the interesting part. I'm going to be taking some jewellery. I've still got the label on this and I've never worn it, and it's finally gone to some good use. So I am using this. It's got some layering on, so it's got like 3 necklaces on. So if you've just got 1 or 2, you can also use that. And we're going to attach this on to our wreath. And how we're going to attach it to the wreath is that we're going to take some pliers and you're going to open these little small hoops and attach it to one of the twigs. And then once you've done that, you just want to close that little ring. And now for the final touch, I'm taking this gold leaf and I'm also going to use the pliers just to open that up so that I can attach it to the wreath. Going to put it in the middle of that necklace there, just like that, and then close that up with the pliers. And here's the finished DIY. I don't know about you, but I really do love this. I think it's unique, it's original, it's so pretty and beautiful, and it's such a feminine and classy piece. I hope that you have found this tutorial beneficial, inspirational, and it's given you some new fresh ideas. If you have enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed to this channel for more unique, beautiful content, and let me know what you think about this DIY in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. That's it from me for now, and I'll see you in the next DIY. Take care of yourselves. Bye.